Hello guys, we're going to replace the air filter on John Deere D series and L series lawnmower. It's very simple. For this simple task you need an air filter and a few minutes. Let's go see. Park your machine safely, apply a parking brake, turn your engine off for sure, that's obvious. Then we're going to clean the dirt and debris around the air filter housing, like so. I already pre-cleaned it, just show you that I need to do it. Loosen two knobs and then remove the cover. Okay. Let's clean the old air filter housing, around the housing and underneath. Pull the air cleaner assembly from the filter base, like so. There we go. Wipe the air intake. Make sure any dirt or any debris will go into the carburetor. Open your filter, like so. Pull it out and install the new filter assembly into the air filter base over here, like so. Push it over in and push it down, like so. It's snug. You can see it's sealed, and it shouldn't be crooked. Should sit perfectly straight. Alright, all good. Put a cover back, and she will be ready to go. Yeah, it's very important to replace those filters because the lawnmower operates usually in really dusty conditions, and yeah, this one's old and dirty. Time to get a new one. Alright, thank you so much for watching. It will help someone. That's my goal. Alright, stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye.